Hey guys, welcome back to another clean phone video. Sorry if it sounds a little windy. Like I said, super hot, summertime here in North Carolina. So I got the fans, two fans blowing, and the AC going on just because in my room it gets really hot. So let's get into it, guys. Today we're talking about the TCL X30 5G. Boost Mobile does not even have this on their website yet, but I found it. So check this out. Leaked the first time. I don't know if many people even know about this phone, but it's pretty cool. So if you go to this Boost Mobile's website, you will see there is no TCL 30XE. Now they do have one of the XLs here. You'll see XE, should I say. So here's a TCL 20XE. This is non-5G this is a non-5G variant, should I say. I don't even know why I said all that. Cargo. This one's non-5G, of course. But this phone is $120. You can get it at $50 currently right now, guys, which is a really nice price actually for a phone. But you just keep scrolling. There's no TCL, but that's just a flip. Like I said, you can buy this. Like I said, I had to just actually Google it and actually took it. So I'm not sure why it's not on the page just yet. But look at this. So here it is, guys. TCL 30XE 5G Shadow Black. Really cool. 64 gigs, $100. Might be worth buying it. So let's go ahead and take a look at this phone. Let's look at the back. It looks pretty nice. It has a 3-camera setup, fingerprint sensor in the back, it looks like. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, and then 5G, really cool. Fingerprint sensor in the back. Here's the front. It does have a teardrop front facing camera. It looks like SIM trays on the bottom left. So pretty cool overall, man. Let's get into it more. Does have a headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack. It looks like it's on the top of the phone, if I'm not mistaken. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead. There's not much specs on this, but like I said, this is through Boost Mobile's website. It's just, I don't know why it doesn't show you it, but $99. Be captivated with the TCL 30XE 5G. Your favorite creators and shows will shine on it. Wow. 6.52-inch HD display powered by the Next Vision technology. Content such as your favorite sports, viral dances, and everything in between will be fueled and more immersive than ever. Of course, with the 90Hz display, guys. Wow. Gamers can unleash their interactive potential with the responsive of 180Hz touch. Wow. Sampling. So really cool. I might really have to try this out. Do it all and more on the 5G connectivity, a 2.2 gigahertz processor, and powerful 4,500 milliamp battery, guys. Wow. Really amazing. Here we go. 64 gigs, of course. You can document your life, it says, with a 13 megapixel IA powered triple rear camera setup. Stun friends and family in videos with the 8 megapixel front facing camera. So not bad at all. So that's really all the information I have so far on it, guys. I might actually go ahead and pick this phone. What do you think? You know, you can continue and go on. So let's say you do want it. Like I said, this is Boost Mobile's website, and then you just pick a plan. So pretty cool at that. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Just a quick video. Do you like these specs? Would it be something that interests you? And would it be something that you would want to maybe want me to go ahead and pick it up and review? So let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. More videos coming your way, guys. Quick video. Thank you. Dragon Warfare signing off.